guys to a new video. Today we have the race from Rethel, middle distance race, 383 kilometers. We have 13 birds in. The birds were released on 7:15 this morning. It's now 9:15, so the birds will arrive in about an hour, maybe a little bit longer, but around that. So when the birds are home, we're gonna watch them and hope we're gonna get early birds. So the loft is ready. We have 2 hens that were stayed at home and 3 male birds, and of course that pair. The male birds have locked because otherwise they will pair up with the 2 hens. So we leave them just like this. We set up the system so it's waiting for the pigeons to arrive. I will clean the loft before they are back home. So let's hope for an early bird. Go. So guys, we have the first 7 birds at home. The first one was the 9:15, also the first on the list. So that's not that bad. The only thing is we need them a little bit earlier than this. So yeah, for now in the club we are starting at 31. Could be a little bit lower, but we'll see. For now we have 7 birds at home, so we are halfway. This one was the first one, 9:15. Last race also was the first one. So at this point she will be the best bird, my loft of the racing season. So yeah, still 6 to go. So we're gonna wait for them. This was the first one, 9:15. Great bird. We got 12 of the 13 at home, so we're gonna feed the birds a little bit of energetic food. They all have a nesting ball right now. Just leave them for a few hours and then we will separate them. And then for next weekend, got a longer distance race. It's about 550, so we have to prepare the birds then again. So young birds go outside for training. They will train for over an hour, so guys, we got the last one back at home. It's this one, 970. It's my best male bird, so I'm happy that he's back home. So all the birds are back. This one, 950, was the first one, of course. We start around 38, 39 now in the club. It's not. We need to bring the clock to the club this evening, so I'm not sure if we will stay there, but we will see. At least we had the first one at front, so that was great. Here you see how the birds came home. It's not that bad, they come really fast between each other, but we need to have a little bit of a half an hour faster to be just a little bit better at the results. But yeah, it is what it is. At least we have all the birds back. Next weekend we got a longer distance race around 550, so I hope they will do better then. For now I'm gonna separate the male birds from the hens, or otherwise I mean the hens from the male birds, of course. The male bird stays here. I will close the breeding cages half. I will just try that. I leave the nesting ball inside, and then on Thursday we're gonna basket the birds again, and then we will show the hens to the male birds, and then we're gonna basket them. So that's how we're gonna do it. Here we have two youngsters, really nice ones. I think a red one, maybe white or gray, I'm not sure. It's turning a little bit tired, I think, but more the bigger he gets, the more it looks like gray. This could be a grizzly as well, this one also, but we will see. These are the last youngsters for this year. As you see, the droppings, they're nice, so that's great. I'm gonna close the system. I'm gonna take the clock. We're gonna take it to the club this evening. And then we're gonna separate the hens. It wasn't the best race, but yeah, let's hope for next weekend will be better. At first we had 5 hens, and then a male bird, and then another hen. So within the first 7 birds we had 6 hens and a male bird. So a little bit weird. So maybe the other loft is better than this part of the loft, or maybe I did something wrong with the male birds and better with the hens, but I'm not sure. At least we are not really early, so it needs to be a lot better. But let's hope for next weekend when we have the longer distance race. That's more my special, so I hope we can do a lot better then. But for now I'm gonna separate the hens, and then we're gonna feed the birds, and then we're done. We still have the youngs outside, they're on training. I will clean that part of the loft, and then I'll let them back in, and then we're gonna feed them as well. So we separate the hens, so they're in their own loft. Clean the water bowl. We only give garlic in the water, nothing more. Here are the male birds. They also have only garlic in the water. So guys, the race over. We have all the birds back at home. This also was the video. I hope you guys liked it. Please give it a thumbs up. Also subscribe to my channel. You can do it down below. We would appreciate it. See you in the next one. Bye guys.